In the next part, we are preparing for the ladies' dip. Let's start with the men's perspective. We're going to show this from the side so you can see better. Take a step backward with the left leg moving away from the lady. Keep your hands between the two of you by slightly straightening your elbows. Then shift your weight forward to the right leg, gently pulling with your hands. Left hand goes up and between the two of you to rotate the lady counterclockwise. Lower the hand at the end. She will end up with her left side to you. Let's show this in the proper direction. Backward with the left leg. Forward, left hand goes up above the lady's head. Lower the hand. Right hand keeps holding the lady's opposite hand, wrapping around her waist. At that point, the lady should be on the man's right side and with her left side to him. Gentlemen, reach with the right leg to the side, bend your left knee slightly and actively push off the left leg to shift your weight to the right one. At the same time, lower the right hand slightly, leading the lady into the dip. But notice that you are not actually sliding the hand down the lady's back, it should be on the lower back all the time, and you should move your entire body with the partner to the side, bend your knee to go lower, then push off the leg to bring the lady back to the vertical position. Now the lady's perspective. Take a step backward with the right leg, left leg stays in front of you. At that point your connection with the partner changes. You should end up with your hands on top of the man's hands and his palms are facing up. Remember not to let go to change the connection, just slide your hands on their surfaces to get to this position. Now, rotate counterclockwise, shifting your weight to the left leg, take a step with the right leg, continuing the rotation, bring your feet together. You should end up on the man's right side. Make sure to shift your weight to the left leg and keep holding with both your hands. Getting into the dip, engage your core and tilt your upper body and head backward, at the same time bringing your hips forward and up. Try to keep your spine long and as you tilt back, bend your left knee and raise the right leg like this. Try to stay within your own balance as much as you can, only shifting part of your weight to the man's hand. 1, 2, and out of the pose, bring your feet together, keep your weight on the left leg because the next step is with the right one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.